Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today, I'm going to talk about the first Sikh Guru, Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji has been one of the greatest religious innovators of all time. He was the founder of Sikhism. He was born on 14 April 1469. 974 poetic hymns in the holy textbook of Sikhism, Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, have been written by him. His parents were Mehta Kalu Ji and Mata Tripta Ji. The name of his sister was Bebe Nanaki Ji. He was married to Mata Sulakhni Ji and had two children, two sons, Shri Chand Ji and Lakshmi Chand Ji. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born in 1469 at a small town village, Rai Poidi Talwandi, now called Nankana Sahib, in Pakistan. Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji travelled extensively to various parts of Indian subcontinent and Middle East. He spent his final years at the town he founded, Kartarpur in Pakistan. Now I'm going to talk about his teachings. Pangat, Guru Ka Langar. He started the sacred free community kitchen to prepare, serve, and eat together was called to live in Pangat and eat the food, regardless of caste or color. Sangat, congregation. The regular collective meditation and praying are the food for the soul. Pray for the good of all living beings on this earth. As he said, Sarbat da Pala. He stimulated a new wave of thought in all human beings so that we all may lead a healthy life. He taught us to lead a life of contentment, adjusted to the environment. He motivated us to acquire information about ourselves. Now, these are the lessons by Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. We need to learn for a quality life. Question number one: who am I? From where have I come? And who has sent me? Next, why have I come here? Where should I aim to go and why? Can I change my wrong path to a righteous one? If so, then how? Guru Nanak Dev Ji taught us to adjust ourselves to the environment on the basis of truth, such, and reality without sacrificing our own individuality. To achieve oneness with God by living an active life of Gurmukh, that righteousness and giving up of vice are the ways to realize the essence of God. He gave us three main concepts: Kirt karo, Naam japo, te vand shako. Naam japna, that means to remember God at all times, which will bring you contentment, truth, humility, and virtue. Kirtakanna, to work and earn a livelihood by honest means, which preaches against slavery and injustice. Vand Shakana, to share wealth, brings the essence of equality to oneself. The goal of a Sikh is to live in the will of God. Tera pana mitha lage, and to remember that service and sacrifice express love and devotion to God. Truth is higher than everything, but higher still is the truthful living. Guru Nanak Dev Ji reminds us in his hymns that life is to be full of noble deeds based on the highest moral values. Love is the feature of religious experience with the loving Creator. Atamark, a way to unite the soul with God. ਜੀਵ ਆਤਮਾ ਦਾ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਲ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋਵੇ? ਸਤਸੰਗ, ਸੰਤੋਖ, ਸਮ, ਵਿਚਾਰ, ਬੈਰਾਗ, ਵਿਵੇਕ, ਤਿਤਿਕਸ਼ਾ, ਮੋਕਸ਼ ਇੱਛਾ, ਸੁਣਨਾ, ਮੰਨਣਾ, ਨਿਧਿਆਸਨ, ਤਤਪਦ. सतगुरु नानक परगटया मिट्टी तुंद जग चानन हुआ. In Kalyug, the Dark Age, with the emergence of the true Guru, Guru Nanak, the mist cleared and the light scattered all around the globe. Guru Nanak Dev Ji organized Sangats to motivate his Sikhs to practice the codes and principles of Sikhism and will to defend them. He set out to establish a society based on ethical values which protect freedom and equality and which would protest exploitation. He wanted people to know their rights and to be fully conscious of them. He observed, the people have forgotten their cultural heritage and are imitating the aliens on their language, dress, and manner. Social, economic, political, and psychological equality in society was initiated by him. He created a society of saint soldiers living as householders, engaged in pursuits of daily life for social and political roles, committed to carrying out the will of the loving God, who will always be prepared to resist oppression and to fight injustice. सतनाम वाहिगुरु. श्री गुरु नानक देव जी. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.